It will help your business by essentially acting as a support mechanism for your own personal development. I think we've got to remember that running a business and being a leader can be a lonely and isolated journey. So as being part of a network of others that are experiencing the same problems, challenges and issues, then what you effectively get is a support mechanism that helps you when times are probably not where you want them to be. It's about support, it's about personal guidance. Lead will give you that. When you're on your own, then you make decisions that you take consideration from your team, but essentially you want inputs from elsewhere. By getting those inputs, it's going to help you make better informed decisions, and most of all, it'll help you make the right decisions.